In this video, we are going to be showing you how to make up to $900 uploading and listening to music. You don't need any skills at all. This is totally free to start. All you need is a phone or a laptop with an internet connection. A lot of people have already been making money with this secret. And if you watch this video without skipping any part, you will also be making from $500 up to $900. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever we upload new content online, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, go to this website right here, pixabay.com. This is a website where you can find a lot of free photos, illustrations, vectors, video footage, background music, and sound effects. Everything on this website is totally free. You don't need any credit card, and you don't even need to sign up at all. In this video, we are going to be focusing on music. So, once you are here, click on music right up here. Once you do that, you will land on this page. As you can see right here, royalty-free music downloads. Thousands of music and audio tracks, free for commercial and non-commercial use. If you look on the left-hand side, under genre, we have electronic, upbeat, beat, beautiful plays, main title, alternative hip-hop, modern classical, ambient, and more. If we scroll down, under mood, we have bright, restless, dreamy, laid-back, hopeful, uplifting, relaxing, suspense, and more. Scroll down again, and under movement, we have a medium, chasing, elegant, and a lot more. Scroll down, we have theme, and again under theme we have a lot more music type to choose from. If you don't want to scroll around searching for music, you can just type in the search bar right up here, whatever type of music you want. For this video, let us use pop music for example. So, all you need to do is type in the search bar, pop music. Once you are done, hit enter. Now, all you have to do is scroll throughout this page and you are going to see a lot of music to choose from. Choose the best pop music you think is nice and okay, and sample it. You can click on the play button and listen to the music to check it out. Once you are done, you can then click right here on the download button and the music will be downloaded to your PC. You will have to repeat this method for at least 10 times, listening to these songs and downloading them to your PC. Don't forget, the more songs you download, the more money you are going to be making. I will advise that you spend more time on this step to get more music. Listen and download more music from this site if you want to make more money. The next thing to do is to go to this website right here, upload-forever.com. Once you are here, as you can see, this website is a file sharing free cloud storage website. All you need to do is to upload your files safely. Withdraw profits from the various payment methods, or convert the profits into products. If we scroll all the way down, right here, let's talk about some features. What is Up4Ever? It is the center to upload files and images, which as well as being free, it pays you. So, you can make money from home. How can I earn money? Referral program. When invited to unregistered people's site, you get 10% extra profits from the member who registered on your link, without touching his money. Scroll down again. Buy products. You can transfer your profits to one of the products offered in the purchase page. Some products require shipping to your home address and it will be free. Details statistics. Knowledge of statistics profits. This will help you analyze your audience in order to help you better target your audience. Low minimum for withdrawal. When you arrive for the amount of $1, you can withdraw your money on most of the available banks. Higher rates. We have the highest rates of profit for your downloads. Start profit now. Support of most banks. We provide most of the electronic and local banks. This is to help you withdraw your money at the bank available to you. And finally, we have support. If we click right up here, where it says, make money, we are going to land on this page. Now scroll down, and right here, we have the best pricing for profit. We give you the best pricing around the world, in order to take advantage of the revenue per 1,000 download. So, they actually pay you more. If your song is downloaded from a Tier 1 country, you get $7. Tier 2 countries, you get $4. Tier 3 countries you get $4 and Tier 4 countries you get $3. Scroll down and right here, Tier 1 countries include United States, Canada. Tier 2 countries include Australia. Tier 3 countries include Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates. Tier 4 countries include other countries. If we scroll all the way down, right here, payment methods. They provide you with the most electronic bank widely used payment methods available. They have PayPal, ePayer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, and a lot more. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. So, if we click right up here, where it says, Payment Proofs, we would land on this page. Scroll down, and you are going to see a lot of payment proofs on this website right here on this page. We have $50, $17, $3, and $12 right here. Throughout this page, we have a lot of payment proofs for you to check. Now, to sign up and get started, just click right up here, where it says, Sign Up. You will land on this page. All you need to do is put in your username, password, retype your password, your email, and click on, I'm not a robot. Once you are done, click on Sign Up and you will start uploading your music files and start making money. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.